Cardano value equivalent to 11.7246 rands a coin. The present cost range: 10.1895, 12.3034. The earlier day close: 10.2669. The change was plus 1.4577, plus 14.20%. Backwards rate: ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at 22.74 rands. Excessive cost 24.26, while low cost 21.08. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 22.69. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 22.67, change for April 0.3%. Cardano conjecture for May 2024. Before all else cost at 22.67 rands. Excessive cost 22.67, while low cost 18.57. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 20.97. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 19.97, change for May 11.9%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at 19.97 rands. Excessive cost 21.73, while low cost 18.89. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 20.23. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 20.31, change for June 1.7%. Cardano figure for July 2024. Before all else cost at 20.31 rands. Excessive cost 22.07, while low cost 19.19. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 20.55. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 20.63, change for July 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at 20.63 rands. Excessive cost 22.51, while low cost 19.57. The found the middle value of cost 20.94. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 21.04, change for August 2.0%. Cardano gauge for September 2024. In the first place cost at 21.04 rands. Exorbitant cost 22.98, while low cost 19.98. The found the middle value of cost 21.37. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 21.48, change for September 2.1%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place cost at 21.48 rands. Exorbitant cost 25.36, while low cost 21.48. The found the middle value of cost 23.01. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 23.70, change for October 10.3%. Cardano gauge for November 2024. In the first place cost at 23.70 rands. Exorbitant cost 24.12, while low cost 20.96. The found the middle value of cost 22.83. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 22.54, change for November 4.9%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2024. First and foremost cost at 22.54 rands. Exorbitant cost 27.98, while low cost 22.54. The found the middle value of cost 24.80. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 26.15, change for December 16.0%. Cardano estimate for January 2025. First and foremost cost at 26.15 rands. Exorbitant cost 28.43, while low cost 24.71. The found the middle value of cost 26.47. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 26.57, change for January 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2025. First and foremost cost at 26.57 rands. Exorbitant cost 28.89, while low cost 25.11. The found the middle value of cost 26.89. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 27.00, change for February 1.6%. Cardano estimate for WAC 2025. First and foremost cost at 27.00 rands. Exorbitant cost 27.22, while low cost 23.66. The found the middle value of cost 25.83. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 25.44, change for spring 5.8%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2025. To start with cost at 25.44 rands. Exorbitant cost 28.16, while low cost 24.48. The found the middle value of cost 26.10. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 26.32, change for April 3.5%. Cardano estimate for May 2025. Before all else cost at 26.32 rands. Excessive cost 26.32, while low cost 21.78. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 24.46. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 23.42, change for May 11.0%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else cost at 23.42 rands. Excessive cost 28.73, while low cost 23.42. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 25.61. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 26.85, change for June 14.6%. Cardano conjecture for July 2025. Before all else cost at 26.85 rands. Excessive cost 29.19, while low cost 25.37. The found the middle value of cost 27.17. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 27.28, change for July 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place cost at 27.28 rands. Exorbitant cost 29.66, while low cost 25.78. The found the middle value of cost 27.61. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 27.72, change for August 1.6%. Cardano gauge for September 2025. In the first place cost at 27.72 rands. Exorbitant cost 30.13, while low cost 26.19. The found the middle value of cost 28.05. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 28.16, change for September 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2025. In the first place cost at 28.16 rands. Exorbitant cost 33.48, while low cost 28.16. The found the middle value of cost 30.27. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 31.29, change for October 11.1%. Cardano gauge for November 2025. Initially cost at 31.29 rands. Excessive cost 31.29, while low cost 27.17. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 29.74. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 29.22, change for November 6.6%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at 29.22 rands. Excessive cost 31.77, while low cost 27.61. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 29.57. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 29.69, change for December 1.6%. Cardano figure for January 20.